looks a bit funny, but who cares? This is just so nice. Oops. Switch the camera on so I'm filming and taking photos at the same time. It's one of those typical nook and cranny type job. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wish you were all here. Hey Frank, what do you reckon? Better than Gummaranka? Yeah, I know I'm not riding Frank, but hey, this is just too good. Ooh, one of those little shots, huh? It pays to look up, doesn't it? It's starting to drizzle just slightly. Hopefully, there's Giorgio. Hopefully we won't get too much. Bloody hell. Now this is a shot and a half. Gerardi Zanoli. Zanoli Gerardi, that's their house. Right now. Just go in here for a second, make a quick adjustment. Since I'm still wearing my bike gear. Oh, look at that. Check this out. What a shot. There he's got corn, they've got nice flowers, beautiful colours. And even over here there's another beautiful view. Incredible. Beautiful shots and views at every corner. There's Claudia and Dave. No, prendo film anche. Watch the turds, dog turds. And when you go around the corner, what do you see even more? Oh, look at that. Dave. Oh, no, it's okay. Claudia, aspetta. Jeez, where does this go? What is it? Underground. Somebody's house. I reckon, what an entrance. Jesus. Oh, look at that. Very peaceful, very quiet. Except for the ringing in my ears. Jeez, look at all that. I feel a good barbecue coming on, a good grill. Check out, see it's all copper piping, the gutters. Oops.
Aber es sind Hunde. Laufen die ohne Leine? Ich weiß nicht, ich habe das in Napoli. Hier ist ein Hundelauf.
Wow, there's a cat in there.
Ja, es ist eine Katze.
There's a little cat. Oops. A cat. He's a fat cat. Jeez, happy looking fella. All right. Corda gelata freddo, corda bianca neve, corda non visibile nebbia. So some sort of weather thing, I guess. Che tempo guarda il cordo. Dry rope, it's sunshine. Wet rope, it's raining. It's rocket science, eh? I hope I'm not getting too much water on my lens. We'll switch off. Canale del Tano, as I said, Giorgio's taking my photos, I guess. I just wanted to get a shot of this. Look, you can see the roof above me. I'll just go back a bit. Okay. Now we're going to go in through here. There's Dave and Claudia. Now have a look to the right. Try not to look to the left, but I just couldn't resist. Just check out the formations there, the colours and stonework. It's just unreal. It's all stonework. Lovely odours. Craft. Plenty of mountain bikes around. Stacks of mountain bikes all piled up over here, and here are the mountain bikers over that side there. Jesus. YouTube. Have a look up here. Oh, over there. Check it out. the walls, and there's another little nook and cranny over there, someone's house. Another nook and cranny over there. Where's a shop over there? Oh, it's a bar. And another nook and cranny. Wow, look at that. Oh, this is 15th century, as Bob Dylan would say. Handed me a book of poems written by an Italian poet from the 15th century. And every word of the pages ran true like it written in my soul. Tangled up in blue. She worked in a topless place and I stopped in for a beer. She looked at me in the smart light saying, yeah, I thought you'd say it. Don't have a voice. I know some of the lyrics. And then you go back out and there's a lake called Lago di Tenno. Tenno. Look it up on your Google map. Worth it. Bloody hell, have a look at that. And back out here again. And go back. Have a look at those steel or wrought iron bars. One of the buildings back there had some sort of notification about 643, the Lombard Kings or something. I've no idea. No, it couldn't be 643 AD. No way. And he's se poliziotto?
Sì, polizia locale.
Polizia locale. He's a local policeman or the metropolitan or the local dude. And he lives in Nuragos, which is 3 k's from 3 kilometri di Genoa. 3 k's from Auntie's house in Sardinia. Yay! Really nice guy. And he's going to show us c'è la cucina.
Sì, entrate.
Entriamo qui. Ciao.
Ciao, buona permanenza.
Grazie.
So that's unreal. We bumped into a dude that lives in Sardinia just down the road. Now, where's the kitchen? And this is a typical kitchen. Oh, it looks pretty modern to me. It's got a microwave and all that. But look at the ceiling, the walls. Wow. Have a look outside the kitchen window. Wow, this is a buzz. Check it out. The view from the kitchen window. Let's go and have a look down here. Ooh. Coming down here, Canale di Tenno. See that? Canale di Tenno. Ooh. Oh, this would make a nifty wine cellar, wouldn't it? Watch your head, especially with the camera. Okay. What's that over there? Oh, back in the kitchen here. Oh, it's not a kitchen, it's the library. And it goes up again. Let's go up. Nooks and crannies everywhere. What the hell? Wow. What a view. Hope I'm not moving too fast for you. Yeah. Lots of art. Oh, some of the local castles and that. You could spend weeks here. Fantastic. They're beautiful animals. Hey, I wonder if these are the little marmots. Rudy and I saw those things. There's a real fat one on the Colla Fauniera. Yeah. Okay, we're concluding a beautiful day. We just wanted to get a look at some of the road work. I mean, you want to ride your bike up this, would you? Yeah. Check out the stonework. Oh my God, that's the original stuff. Oh, a bit of a private property, but there's a bit of a roadway. Oh, it's not a private property. We can... Oh, way down there. Oh, possibly the cars parked down there. Just a bit of a walkway. It's all original stonework, as you can see. Yeah, one of the little buildings up there, Vatalina, it looks like it's a little house, beautiful little house that you can rent and possibly stay in. That'd be great, wouldn't it? Can you imagine that as a base? Glorious, huh? Look at how green it is. It rains enough, doesn't it? Yeah. It was built in 18... Hang on a tick. Get a quick look. It was built in 1884 and it was used until 1955. Hope you enjoyed it all. We didn't have to go 450 k's to get to it, did we? He wants to go a little bit further down. Yeah, I can see why. You can get a better view because you've got too many trees in the way. So this is the Trento Alto Adige. This is more the Trento region. Alto Adige is closer to the, I guess, the Austrian area. Going through on his trek, Villa del Monte. According to Giorgio, that landslide there is what caused the beautiful blue lake. You can see the clouds have rolled in again. What an incredible scene, huh? To the point as to why we're here. The afternoon sun, isn't that glorious? Oh, motorbikes everywhere. Get a few photos. That's the Castel Tenno, the castle that we went to or have visited before the Canale. And if I move just a short distance down the road, there's the other little village just over there that you can see. Back, what I wanted to get a bit of a shot of was, well, you can't see it now so much, but there was a bit of an interplay where there were like beams of sunlight coming down and you could get areas of sun and darkness. But what I want to point out is the terracing on some of these vineyards. If you look, you can see the terracing just down there, terracing up all through there. It reminds you of Cinque Terre, of course. And they've got vines and olive groves. You can see the twisting in the formations, the seabeds. Quite fascinating. Surface. So many pizza bars, restaurants of all sorts. I counted some 9 bike shops in the area, like virtually right next to each other. Incredible number of bike shops. Beautiful place to travel and visit, and this is Lago di Garda when you can actually see it. Couldn't see it this morning at all because of the haze and all that, and I'm just getting this out of the back window. Have a look at that geological formation as we're driving around. So it should be fairly steady. I'll turn it back a bit. An absolutely fantastic day.